One of the most slept on features when it comes to Reels is this templates tab. Boom. I think that's really fire. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? With the rise, of course, of IG Reels and people using it more and more and more, there are just some features that could possibly make your creativity a little bit better or workflow just a little bit better. One of the most slept on features when it comes to Reels is this templates tab. So on the top, you're going to see templates. These are templates that people have already created that you can use, from everything from the music to even the words that are actually on the video you can use. So these are some that are trending. They have a section that's trending that you can use. Other saved templates that you've already saw. And then some of the featured ones. So let's say, oh, and of course recommended. So let's say I wanted to use one of the trending ones. Let's listen to some. That song, that sound is trending. So literally, I can add my media to it just by me hitting add media and picking, let's see, I'm just gonna pick a few, right? Boom. It's gonna generate. So, and it creates its own, right? Maybe I don't like that. Start over. Maybe I want to switch the template. Then it'll go into all the other templates. This is going to make content creation a lot easier and you thinking less of it. This does not necessarily mean don't use other third-party apps like CapCut's really good for templates and Unfold is really good for templates as well. But the platform normally, what does you call it? The platform normally rewards those who actually use in-app features. So templates is a really dope one for you to look into, right? Another feature you may not have known is the made for you, where Instagram will literally make a reel for you with some of the trending sounds that they have. So if I would do made for you, it would actually go through some of your stories, not from your camera, like your camera roll, because it doesn't have access to it, but from your stories, it will actually create reels for you. So if I was to let you listen to it. I just need some space. And that's on beat. That's on beat. For those people who may have a creative brain fart, who may not know what to post that day, if we was to go to made for you up top on the right, it will create it for you. Or we can go into templates and it could create it for you as well. So I think that's really dope. Another last kind of tip I want to give you for Instagram Reels, if you need also exposure, like extra reach or extra exposure on your Reels, like I said, you want to use some of the features that Instagram gives you. Now, it also has effects and filters, and they also have a trending section. So these are the filters that are trending, and if you use these filters, you have the possibility of being reached to a new audience or a wider audience. So if I wanted to use Luis, oh wow, got me looking like that. I look rosy. I look rosy. But that is on the effects tab. I could go to trending, right? Then of course, if you want to use some of the really dope features on Reels, so you can have the green screen, the window, and then I could move me all around and I could do a reel just like this. I could have a ripple effect, right? I could have a ripple effect. We can have comic captions. They just have so many different features. We can have bubble captions. So as I'm talking, it'll actually show up right here once I'm done recording. So let's see how it does. Updating captions. Boom. I think that's really fire. I think that's, tell me if that's fire or not. But these are just some of the features that not many people know about when it comes to Reels, is that you actually have a lot of different effects that you could be using, and you actually have a lot of filters and extra effects that are trending that you could be using. Real quick recap. We can go into templates, allow Instagram to literally let us do a plug and play of our actual videos and pictures. We can allow Instagram to do a reel for us with some of the trending sounds and music that are there based off our stories. And then of course, we can create our own reel and use some of the effects, whether it's from the trending tab or from the reels tab, to get really creative. But that was a really quick, IG Reels feature. It's really dope. Don't forget, like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe. All right.